Very good morning, guys. Welcome back. I hope all you are doing really well. Friends, this is very important session because tell me about yourself or how to introduce yourself. What are the keywords you should tell the interviewer, right? And what are the key skills and how will you rate your key skills before interviewer? Because basis on that, he will drill your knowledge. So don't skip this particular one. So guys, without time wasting, let's start the session. 100% asked question, right? No chance of escape. Interviewer will definitely ask 99.99% this question will be asked in interview, right? Tell me about yourself. This is question number one. Start from here. So interview session will start from here 100%. They want to know about your professional background, your professional experience, and your future goals along a bit with your family, right? If jobs is related to the field, because in field you know that maximum time the candidate has to spend time outside home. So, so who all are dependents from the family perspective, they would like to know. This is a main person of knowing about the family. So first impression always matters. So few things you need to keep focus during giving the introduction. So point number one, sorry guys. Point number one, your introduction should not greater than 60%, 1 minute. That means organize your introduction in such a way that it should not be greater than 1 minute. If your interview, if if your introduction go beyond 1 minute, then interviewer may interrupt you or he will become the bore one, right? So finish your introduction before 60 seconds. Start with the greetings, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Elevator pitch. Most important part is the elevator pitch. Means your voice should be accent very clear. Tone should be proper audible. Rate of a speech should be good. Means you should not be in a hurry to finish. Make gap between the sentence of at least 1 second, right? I have a demo of this interview, this introductions part in my next slide. Don't worry about that. But these are the fundamental things that you should know. Always make eye contact with a very slight smile during the introduction part. Okay, and don't use too much like like that in between sentences. It shows that candidates have lack of confidence and giving interview without practice, which is not a good sign from the candidate point of view. And last but not least is the start with the present, in between keep past one, and at the end keep your future, right? That means how will you provide benefits to the organizations, right? And keep your strength as well. So these are the certain points you should keep in mind if you are giving your introductions part. Coming to the next question, guys. Can you give a demo of proper introduction? Means a professional introduction. Can you give me a demo? This slide will 100%, please don't skip, because this slide may help you throughout your lifetime. Okay, so the best answer is start with the greetings as I said in the previous slide. So good morning, I am XYZ. Uh, in place of XYZ, keep your name. I am XYZ. I have done my bachelor's from a premium college in Pune. Right? Your educational. I have 15 years of experience in multiple engagements, having expertise in cyber domain, VAPT, risk assessment, ISO, GRC, and SOC. SOC is the Security Operations Center, and GRC is the Governance, Risk, and Compliance. So your your professional experience. I have certifications like CEH, which is Certified Ethical Hacking, ISO Lead or Auditor, CISA, CRISE, and Prince Foundations. I am a good team player, highly motivated, enthusiastic, and believe in continuous learning. I would love the opportunity to put my expertise with you or for your or for your organization, right? I would love the opportunities to put my experience with you. Okay, this is the proper, that means you have covered your educational background, one liner, right? Your professional experience, right? Your skills as well, like cyber domain, VAPT, risk assessment, ISO, GRC, and SOC as SOC, right? Your like whatever you have the certifications like CH, ISO, CISA, whatever will be the certifications. Okay, keep in the middle ones, right? What is your strength is? Are you an individual contributor, right? Are you a good team player, highly motivated, enthusiastic, right? Continuous learning, believable. Okay. And I would love the opportunity to put my experience with you. Perfect introduction. Okay. Now, after this, maybe interviewer will ask these questions. Can you please rate your skills as you have said that you have experience in cyber domain, security operation center, governance risk and compliance ISO 27001 out of 10 means rate yourself out of 10 throughout your skills, right? Whatever the skills you have. So guys, I have certain faces these type of questions multiple times in multiple engagements, right? So be cautious during giving this type of particular answers because from here interviewer wants to drill your knowledge. Okay, whatever you have um, highly rated skills, right? Interviewer will definitely come into that particular one first and then in the decreasing order. So keep the first highly rated skills at the top and then in the decreasing order. For example, here, cybersecurity, if you have 7.5, I am assuming that you have good knowledge because 15 years of experience means you have worked in cyber, ISO, GRC, and SOC, right? That means I'm assuming that you have around 7.5 out of 10 knowledge of cyber domain. For ISO, you have 7 out of 10 as well. GRC, same 7 out of 10, and SOC, you have a lower one that is 5 out of 10, right? You can also modify as per your individual skills rating, right? Friends, one suggestion, my personal suggestion, don't give more than 8 ratings in any domain because 8 is the, I think, the champion one. The champion means uh, OEM OEM type. OEM is original equipment manufacturer, right? So if you are giving any skills more than 8, that means interviewers thinks that you have the expertise in that particular domain. However, since we have versatile kind of knowledge in every field, so we are not a OEM in one field, right? We are only advisor. So don't keep any skills of rating more than 8. Okay, okay. As per my personal experience, if you think that you are expertise in certain domains, keep at least 8, 8.5, no problem with that, right? So guys, I think these slides definitely helps you. Okay, and do subscribe, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to share, guys, because I know these are the 100% interviews questions without fail. And how to introduce yourself because first impression always matters, right? If 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 you have handled in these questions, I believe your 50% of the selection has been done because your communication is skilled, right? How will you present yourself, right? What are the keywords you are using, right? And how are you explaining your skills in front of the interviewer? It actually matters, right? Because interviewer having knowledge of zero with reference to you, he didn't know you actually, right? Resume is the first part. In the screening round he will select your profile, right? Secondly, he will discuss with you, right? And on the basis of that, he will ask you to rate the skills, and then he will give you the job, right? Guys, be practical and be realistic if you are providing the high rating skills in any domain, because on the basis of that he will drill your knowledge, and if you are selected, then he gives roles and responsibilities according to your job ratings. Okay, so guys, any suggestions, any feedback, any queries, any concerns, anything help required during your interviews journey, right? Request you to connect with me, right? I will definitely help. Mm, I will try my best level to help you. And don't forget to share these videos, guys, because these videos are completely for you. I am a working candidate, still I am making these videos for you, because I know that whatever the challenge I had faced in my past, okay, I don't let you to face it now. That's why I thought I have to make these videos uh, to get helps you. Okay, guys, thank you so much.